going to show you how to turn the flashlight on and off on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. Okay, it's very, very simple. All you got to do is, it doesn't matter if your phone is locked or whatnot. All you got to do is slide down the notification like this, and then you should see where it says flashlight. Okay, so there's flashlight right here, so you can go ahead and tap on that, and you can see that it's off, or it's on, and you can see that it's highlighted in blue. Even if I go ahead and lock my screen right now as well, it's still going to be on. If you want to turn it off, just do the same thing. Just go ahead and slide down and then look for flashlight, and you can tap it, turn it off. If it's not here, go ahead and swipe over, okay, and look for flashlight. Now, the thing is, by default, if you're already logged in, all you got to do is swipe down, and the first row here should be a flashlight, okay? So it's just a lot easier. If you're just logged in, just swipe down and just tap it, and tap it off. Pretty simple. Same with this one here. Just swipe down, tap it off. Good luck.